Hi everybody! Today I would like to talk about a really important topic that many of you find interesting. But before we start, I would like to clarify the term nature. What is nature? Nature can be defined as all the animals, plants, and rocks in the world, and all the features, forces, and processes that happen or exist independently of people, such as mountains, weather, the sea, the production of young animals, and plants. Once we clarify this term, we can ask ourselves, what is the importance of nature? There are many reasons that shows the reliance of the human beings with nature. But in this case or time, I would like to focus on two of the main reasons. One of them is fresh water. This is an irreplaceable resource that many of you know that is important for the existence of the human beings. Without it, all the living beings would die instantly. The second one are the plants. Plants are known for the production of oxygen, which is really important for us to breathe. Also, it produces food and products and materials to create products like paper, coal, or aluminium. Also, it creates a great shadow to rest. Now that you know two of the main reasons of the importance of nature, I just want to let you know, guys, that we should not stop taking care of nature. Because most of people believe and think that it does not matter because we have enough right now. But all these resources are getting limited day by day. So we have to do our part by letting the trash inside the trash can, by cleaning the environment, or even planting a tree. So in fact, nature is all around us. So in order to keep it clean for the next generation and the rest of our lives, let's try to do our part.